The first residual value formula we will cover is one you already know. It is the growth formula we learned in course 1. Let's do this as an example. The table shows the free cash flows for XYZ Corporation. Assume that the free cash flows will grow at 5% from 2021 on. We want to compute the present value as of 2016 of the free cash flows. That is, the value of operations for XYZ, assuming a cost of capital of 15%. Let's first place the cash flows in a timeline. 2017 is year 1, 2018 year 2, and so on. The table gives us the cash flows for 2017 to 2021, that is from year 1 to year 5. For year 6 on, we will assume that the cash flow grows at 5%. That is, the cash flow in 2022 is the cash flow in 2021, or 1890 times 1 plus 5%, or 1984.5. We can do this for all the other years. We value the cash flows in year 1 to 5 by taking their present value individually. This is the formula to do this, or you can do it in Excel, as we've learned before. The present value of the first 5 cash flows is 4,567.85. How do we compute the present value of the free cash flows from year 6 on? Well, as you can see, these cash flows follow a pattern. They grow at 5% and go on forever. Therefore, we can use the growing perpetuity formula to capture their present value. Recall that the formula for the present value of a growing perpetuity is the first cash flow, in this case 1984.5, divided by the difference between the cost of capital and the growth rate, in this case 15% minus 5% or 10%. This leads to a value of 19,845. We refer to this value as the residual value of the firm. Recall that the amount 19,845 is the value of all the cash flows starting in year 6 but as of year 5. This is what the perpetuity formula gives you, the present value as of the period prior to the first cash flow. If you do not remember this, go back to course 1 where we cover the perpetuity formula. Since we need the present value as of year 0 and not as of year 5, we need to discount 19,845 5 additional periods. That is, we compute 19,845 divided by 1 plus 15% to the power of 5, which is 9,866.47. Finally, the present value of the free cash flows is the sum of these two parts. The present value of the non-terminal cash flows, 4,567.85, and the present value of the residual value, or 9,866.47. The final answer is therefore 14,434.32.